Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to make your account Instagram is private, because many people is stranger or people who don't can disturbing you, so you can make your Instagram account is private. First we click the Instagram application. After that you click the three slide here and click setting. After that you can click the personal account, switch account type, personal account, and go back to privacy and slide switch to private account. This is a rule. If you choose the private account first, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, okay? And this one change you who can take, mention, or the message you. Okay, switch to private and cancel. Okay, now your account is private. So this is the tutorial how to make your Instagram account is private. Thank you for the attention and bye.